Millions of people depend upon what farmers do. And so will billions more in the next few decades. Farmers will have to grow as much food as they have in the past 10,000 years put together. Today, India is the 6th largest producer of corn in the world. And we at Monsanto intend to make this position stronger.
Our commitment is to make sure we keep bringing best technologies and best information to our farmers so that they can make more money using our product. They can use that money for the welfare of their family. They can spend money for their kids' education, for their social needs and various other things. When farmers benefit from our technology, they also put that money back in the society, which helps in overall improvement of the country.
To make India the largest producer of corn in the world, we have to address the two main reasons for the loss of maize crop: weeds and pests. To understand the solution that Monsanto provides for farmers, let us first understand how weeds and insects cause damage to the maize crop. It is estimated that each year 40 million tons of corn never reaches the market because of damage by insects and pests, mainly the corn borer.
మొక్కజొన్నలో కాండం దంచే పురుగు ఒకటి, కనుపు ఒకటి పెద్ద సమస్యగా ఉన్నాయి. కాండం దంచే పురుగు కోసం రకరకాల మందులు స్ప్రే చేస్తున్నారు. కానీ అది ఒకసారి నాపున కాండంలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత కంట్రోల్ కావటం ఏ మందుకి కూడా ఎంత ఖర్చు చేసినా కానీ. అట్లని గ్రాన్యూల్స్ వేస్తున్నారు, 3G వేస్తున్నారు, 4G వేస్తున్నారు, 10G వేస్తున్నారు. ఏది వేసినా కూడా ఒకసారి మొక్క వడబడిన తర్వాత కాండం దంచే పురుగు వచ్చి దాపనకు ఆ గునికిని తీసుకోక అది పనిచేయక అక్కడ పురుగు అది నిద్రావస్థలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి మన్ని వచ్చి తిరిగి కండి మీద ఎక్కడో చాట మన్ని గుడ్డును పెట్టి మన్ని పురుగు డెవలప్ అవుతుంది, మన్ని కండిని డ్యామేజ్ చేస్తుంది.
Chemical insecticides and biological control methods are available to control the outbreak of the corn borer. But the nature of the infestation makes it difficult and expensive to control. To understand the magnitude of damage the corn stem borer can infest, we travel to the two largest corn-producing states of India, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Silod is one of the biggest maize growing centers in Maharashtra. Till very recently, farmers of this area were oblivious to the damage inflicted by the corn stem borer. But now they realize that the vicious attack of the corn stem borer has the potential to damage up to 40% of their crop. To understand the actual ground situation, we met a farmer with a small land holding. Taterao Paledkar's family has been growing corn for generations. His average yield used to be 30 to 40 quintals per hectare, but an attack by the corn stem borer led to a loss of 40% of the yield. Small farmers like him cannot afford expensive pesticides. So ideally, he wants access to seeds which have inbuilt resistance to the pest attack.
हमारे पिछले 2-3 साल से ये मक्का के बीज में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कि ये जो मक्का का पेड़ है इसमें खोड़ कीड़े का प्रमाण बढ़ गया है. उसकी वजह से हमारा जो नुकसान हो रहा है 30-35%. तो ये आप देख सकते हैं अभी फ़िलहाल जो गाभा रहता है अंदर का वो उसको आले वो खा लेती है और उसकी वजह से बाहर से तो पेड़ बहुत हरा भरा दिखता है, मगर जब वो सिचुएशन चल जाने के बाद ये पेड़ पूरा सूख जाता है और उसकी वजह से हमको पता भी नहीं चलता है कि इसमें क्या हो रहा है. तो खोड़ आले की वजह से हो रहा है.
Almost 60% of land in this part of Maharashtra is dedicated to corn production. The damage that we saw in Taterao's field was nothing compared to what we witness in Kannad Taluka of Silod. The severity of the attack by the corn stem borer was so high in this area that it completely destroyed the corn crop here. Farmers had to sow the crop again. Whether it's a small farmer or a big farmer, Pest attacks have made everybody's life miserable. We met a farmer with a big land holding, Vasantrao Vijarao Pawar. His family owns 250 acres of land, of which 75 acres is devoted to corn cultivation. He says he has been facing the problem of pest attack for the past 3 to 4 years. Right now, he is getting a yield of 35 quintals per acre, but he fears the corn stem borer attack can reduce his yield by up to 30%. The saving grace is, unlike the small farmers of Silod who grow a single crop, big farmers like Vasantrao grow multiple crops, so somehow they manage their losses through other crops. However, the infestation by the corn stem borer is spreading fast to the rest of the corn producing part of Maharashtra.
आता महाराष्ट्रभर खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर पेरा झालेला आहे. अगदी ठाणे नाशिक या भागात मकाचा पेरा झालेला आहे. तिकडे जर हा स्टेम बोरर गेला किंवा हा जो खोडकिडा जर गेला तर त्याचा उत्पादनावर देश पातळीवर मोठा नुकसान होणार आहे. ते जर आपल्याला टाळायचं असेल तर निश्चितच नवीन पद्धतीचं सुधारित बियाणं आम्हाला द्यावं लागणार आहे शेतकऱ्यांना, जेणेकरून त्या शेतकऱ्याचाही फायदा होईल. तणनाशक द्यावं लागणार उभ्या पिकातले, जेणेकरून त्याचा लेबरचा प्रॉब्लेम कमी होईल, उत्पादनात वाढ होईल. त्याचा परिणाम निश्चितच आपण निर्यात करू शकू आणि फॉरेन करन्सी जी आम्हाला मिळणार आहे तिच्यातून आमचं थोडी समृद्धी आमच्या देशाची आणि शेतकऱ्याची निश्चित आम्हाला साधता येईल.
From Maharashtra, we moved 600 kilometers south to the corn producing belt of Hubli. Karnataka is the #1 producer of corn in Kharif season. Farmers of this belt are also facing the same problem of corn stem borer attack. Suresh Gurupa grows corn in 5 acres out of the 20 acres of his land holding. Till last year, he was not aware of the attack by the corn stem borer. Like the other farmers, he thought his declining yield was due to bad seeds or inadequate irrigation. But then he realized that the attack by the corn stem borer had led to a decrease of 30% in yield. We randomly selected 100 plants from his field, and to our surprise, we found 40% of the plants had visible signs of the pest attack. These pinholes that you see in so many plants on the plot are sure signs of pest attack. The adult corn borer, a moth, lays its eggs on the corn plant, and then the young larvae tunnel into the corn plant, eating it as they grow. Eventually, the larvae eat so much of the insides of the corn plant that the plant can fall over or stop growing. The maize crop exposed to this can destroy most of the crops in the field. Once the corn borer enters the corn stalk, conventional treatments are not always effective or even possible. Since conventional pesticide sprays cannot reach the attacking corn borers, they continue to eat away the insides of the corn stalk. Eventually, the damage is such that the corn plant can easily be blown over by wind or even knocked down by rainfall, preventing the corn from maturing and making harvesting difficult.
ಈ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ದವರು ನಾನಾ ಥರ ಔಷಧನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಫೀಲ್ಡನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು ಹಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಎಕರೆಗೆ 300-400ರಿಂದ ಖರ್ಚು ಬೀಳ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಈ ಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಔಷಧನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ.
If the corn stem borer attacks the plant at an early stage, the plant gets bifurcated in 2 parts. Farmer Basavaraj is facing the same problem. Early attack of corn stem borer is producing lots of tillers in his field. These tillers produce 0 yields. The cost of applying pesticide is so prohibitive that small farmers get in a fix on whether to apply it or not. Apart from pest attack, another major issue that makes farmers' lives miserable is the problem of weeds. Weeds are undesirable plants growing within a crop. They compete for resources such as nutrients, water, and light. Weeds can also cause further problems by harboring pests and diseases, interfering with harvest operations, and increasing costs of farm operations. When uncontrolled, they can result in yield losses of more than 75%. In order to improve the lives of millions of farmers across India, we as a nation will have to be more forthcoming and open to the idea of scientific development in the field of agriculture. Our farmers should have more access to scientifically developed seeds and pesticides to fight the menace of pests and weeds. To make its mark as an agro-power on the world map, India will have to believe in the mantra, improving agriculture improves lives.